So I'm starting the video from the wing of my buddy's new project car, because today I want to show you guys the new car that I got, and it's not this project car, it's a daily driver actually, but I thought it'd be kind of cool to show you guys what we're working with here and what he's been up to and what let's just say mistakes he's made. So here, I'm going to show you really quick and then we'll jump into it. All right, well there you have it. So this car is a 1996 240 SX with an LS1 swap, fully straight piped, and it's going to be built into a full kind of like race car slash drift car. It's got the Rocket Bunny kit on it that they're going to be, well right now we're basically working on, or my buddy Lawson's basically working on the finishing the mold for the fiberglass roof, because he had a little incident with testing it out and the roof wasn't latched down, so it flew up and cracked and stuff, but that's getting fixed. And yeah, the Rocket Bunny kit is on. As you can look, you can see the fenders right here, or this, yeah, I guess they're fenders on the front, and then this massive wheel gap right here. So they're gonna get new wheels and new tires, and it's basically gonna hopefully be able to sit flush with like the inside paneling right here. But it's gonna be, I mean, I think they're gonna be able to fit 315s maybe. Maybe, I feel like that's the biggest they might be able to go, but we'll see as they go and get the fitment and stuff. But yeah, this car's gonna be a beast. Like, it's got this aggressive front look. It almost looks like a like an old school Camaro. I don't know if you guys see it, but it looks like a 68, 69 Camaro. It's pretty sick. And then they're either gonna, you guys should comment down below and let me know what they should do, but they're either gonna turbo it, supercharge it, or pro charge it. So I mean, each one has its pros and cons. They're all, you know, they all get the job done, but they're all slightly different. So comment down below and let us know what you think they should do. Again, this is a V8 LS1 straight piped, so as soon as they get any sort of boost or extra power, it's gonna be even crazier. And the fact that this car is already tiny and light is just gonna be awesome. So yeah, this is currently what they're working on. And they've got the light bars on the bottom, kind of as acting as like fog lights. And then they went ahead and got these Jeep headlights that are pretty sick. It's got the two running lights on the top and bottom, the LED strips, and then you've got the individual lights right here that look awesome at night and surprisingly are pretty bright. Yeah, you guys will probably be seeing more of this car. I think we're gonna actually end up wrapping the car, and then hopefully once the car is ready to drive, I can share clips with you guys of, you know, it being taken out on the racetrack and them trying to learn how to drift. That'll be interesting. And just seeing what else happens with this car. I'm sure we might get pulled over once or twice, crossing my fingers that we don't, but it would be fun to see kind of what the reaction is. Because especially here where we live, they're kind of strict and they aren't the biggest fan of people with passion for cars. So yeah. Anyway, so I made this video because I wanted to share with you guys kind of what I've been doing in terms of a car situation, because you guys saw the ZL1. Since then, you haven't really seen much else of it, and that's because I got a daily driver. Basically, what I decided was that I didn't want to be putting all the miles on the ZL1 because I was driving to and from work or around town, and it's just not as practical. And also I didn't want to put all the miles on the ZL1 in case I want to sell in the future or whatever it is I want to do. I want to maintain the value. So I bought a daily driver that is perfect, has a great sound system, is comfortable, and I can take to the snow. I can drive during the winter because it's gonna start hopefully raining, because I mean the weather's been beautiful, but hopefully it starts raining, and I want to go to Tahoe and be able to take it to the snow and not worry about that. And you can't really do that with the Camaro, especially the ZL1. With the tires it has on it, I have to get winter tires probably, because the tires as they are right now wouldn't get any traction when it's wet and rainy, so it's just not a good combo. Yeah, so I went and bought this car. I'm gonna have both cars for now until I figure it out. I'm debating on whether like I want to keep the ZL1 or I don't. Let me know again what you guys think, because I love the ZL1 and it's been one of my favorite cars so far, and like the reason I haven't sold it is because I truly do like the car, which is rare because I usually get rid of my cars pretty quickly. Like I had the GTR and I sold that. I had the gold chrome Camaro, I sold that. I've had BMWs, Mercedes. For some reason there's always this like cycle of me buying and selling cars, not for profit, but sometimes I'll profit, sometimes I'll lose money or break even, but basically because I just get bored of them. And the ZL1 has been like the exception. Like I just haven't gotten bored of the car. It sounds amazing and it's completely stock, so it's like a blank canvas. Without further ado, I'm going to show you guys the new car, and I'm curious to see what you guys think, so let me know down below. Well, there you have it, guys. I'm wearing something different. It's a different time of the day because a week went by because I had a lot going on and I procrastinated actually, but I finally got done filming this video, and so I hope you guys enjoy it. And I actually have a lot of things planned for this car, including maybe a wrap, some tint, some off-road stuff. So that most of that stuff actually already got in the mail. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys in the next few videos what I'm going to be doing to the car, and bring you guys along for the journey. So thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you for holding out. I know it's been about 1 or 2 months since I've posted, so I'm going to start posting hopefully 2 times a week. That's going to be the goal, 2 to 3 times a week, and I'm going to try to be consistent and do my best to bring you guys good content. So thank you guys so much for sticking with me, and I can't wait to share with you guys the rest of the journey. So thank you so much.